Okay, this is my new South Bend lathe I just picked up. I am looking to see if anybody can help me find parts or anything else to do with this lathe. I'm looking for manuals, and here's the serial number, 61060. Tailstock and a new aftermarket chuck. This is the alignment. Here I'm showing there's no place for a thread dial. I don't see any casting marks or anything for a thread dial on the carriage. The old brass oil cups on it. I'm looking for a 3-jaw chuck. This is a model 253. I'm looking for the jaws to go the other direction for it. And I'm also looking for a set of change gears to go on the lathe. This is a 9x36 South Bend. And it looks like they had a fine-tune adjustment for leveling the lathe with the holes in that casting. And there is no leveling adjustment holes there. Just showing what the lathe looks like here. The counter shaft motor, 3-phase 1 horse Baldor motor. And just an overall view of the lathe. This has a 3-phase motor with a reversing drum switch on the top and a magnetic contactor on the bottom. And is looking for bearing adjustment instructions on the spindle. What kind of oil we use on it. What kind of oil needs to be used on the inside of the cone pulley. And there's a set screw to put the oil in. And this is the alignment on the casting on the tailstock. There's no tailstock center marks.